Right, hello everyone. We have some paint on it. We've had got a glorious day, so it'll sit here and bake. There's a few bits I've got to look into, a few bits there. I'm not too worried about that bit there because that's where the flashing goes, but I've got to do something about it. It only happened on the white paint that was on this truck. It's got like little tiny pits in it, all over, like little bubbles all over. I don't know if you can see them, but anyway, that will just want a very thin skim of filler over them, all over the white, just the white. The red didn't touch it. Very strange, but anyway. So yeah, I've got to do that. Like I say, I'm not too worried about where this. I welded that big plate on. This here will have the plastic flashing stuff on it, so I'm not too worried about that. Roof's come out pretty good. Bonnet's come out good. And I did, like I say, I did think it was going to need a lot of work, but apart from that bit of very minute thin skim of filler over the white stuff, it's come out pretty good. I'm pretty pleased overall. So I certainly won't make a painter yet, but it'll do for now. Right, there we go. And then across the back is the big thing here that the Chevrolet logo's on. So, but no, it's turned out pretty good. Pretty pleased with that overall, and I'm glad we had a nice warm day. I could get it on, so that's good. Right then, cheers for now. See you on the next update. Right, hello everybody again. Little update. I've done the white on this side. You're not going to be able to see it very well, but I did that yesterday and then let that dry overnight and then moved it over, and it's absolutely boiling today. So I've done this side. So it's looking quite nice. I'd had two light coats and then let it flash off for 15 minutes and give it a heavy coat. So, and it's come out really well. I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased. I know you can probably see a few lines, but that's actually where the plastic stripping goes, the rubber stripping. So I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm now going to leave this now for 2 or 3 days, because I need to stick onto the white with the masking tape so I can do the red. But there you go, it's coming on. Thanks for watching, and the next one you'll see, it should be all done and red. Cheers for now.